Are you in a habit of lamenting all the time about bad things happening to you? Or about trials in your life? Well, God gave me some insight into that also. Evidently, I was having some poor me days. Have you ever had those? Have you ever had a poor me day? Well, I was having poor me days all the time. And God told me these words that helped me. He said, I told you that a habit of lamenting about your trials in life or another person's trials in his life is like having a parade for the devil and his works. It's like praising the devil's horrible activity in your life or in the life of another person. God said, when you truly love yourself and others, you don't glorify the bad things that happen in your life. You put love to work by praying for the person and praying for yourself to change the bad situation to a good one. God said, love is always active. Love is always motivated to do the highest work of love, which is prayer and love, until a perfect result is reached. He said, that's what I meant when I said that if you do good things but you have not love, then you are like a clanging cymbal, parading the works of the devil in a parade for him by speaking about the evil works that he has done, instead of loving someone enough to pray for them until a bad situation is changed to good. He said, don't have a parade for the devil with clanging cymbals and gongs, calling attention to his negative works in your life or the life of another person. He said, have a parade for me and my works by praying my powerful words in prayer. Then will you have a joyful parade of telling about my works in the situation to reverse the negative situation and making them into a glorious situation. Other people will join in the praises because good always overcomes evil. The book of Psalms is a wonderful book to read in relation to praising God for his wonderful works instead of praising the enemy for his horrible works in anyone's life.